With Nikkei BizRuptors, verified educators can get unlimited access to our cases and teaching materials. Let's walk through the steps to get you verified and ready to teach. Step 1. Create your account. Start by visiting our homepage. In the top right corner, click Sign Up. When asked to choose your role, select Educator. Enter your university email address and a secure password. This will be used to verify your teaching status, so be sure it's the correct one. Step 2. Confirm your email. Once you submit your details, you'll be asked to confirm your email address. Check your university inbox for a message from Nikkei BizRuptors. If you don't see it, take a quick look in your spam or junk folder. It sometimes lands there. Click the confirmation link inside the email to activate your account. Step 3. Verify your teaching status. After your email is confirmed, you'll see a success page. Click Verify Teaching Status. Fill in the boxes with details of your name, position, university, and department. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You can verify in one of two ways. Through a faculty directory link. Paste the URL to your official university profile page. This is usually the fastest option. Or upload a document. You can also upload a verification document, such as a letter from your dean, a hiring confirmation, or a photo of your faculty ID. When you're done, click Submit. Step 5. Await approval. Once submitted, you'll see a confirmation message. Our team will review your information within 3 working days. When your verification is approved, you'll receive a status confirmation email from us. That's it. Now you can enjoy full access to all educator resources, including case studies, teaching notes, and slides. You can also create courses, assign readings, and track student progress right on the platform.